Hello everyone, in this part we'll be learning how to use the GeoGebra app to do transformations, that is rotation and dilation, which is also known as enlargement. So now to do rotation, what we'll do is first select the option from the toolbar and select polygon, and let's draw a triangle here. So to draw the triangle, you select 3 points, click here, first point, you select the second point, and suppose this is my third point. Now to complete the polygon, you need to join it back to the original first point. So I got my triangle ABC here, and now I want to rotate this triangle. Okay, so first thing is you go to the option here, click here, select rotate about a point. Now to rotate about the point, you have to select the diagram. It gives you a hint here, select about object to rotate and the center point. So you will select the object and select the center of rotation. Suppose this is my center of rotation, -1, -1. So just click here, and you will get a pop-up box which tells you which is asking you to enter the angle of rotation. Suppose I want to rotate it by 90 degree and clockwise. So you select and you say OK, and you see that your diagram gets rotated. So it's pretty simple. Select the triangle, click on the center, a pop-up box will come, you enter your angle and press OK, and your diagram gets rotated. So let's try to do one more. So I'll clear the screen here. Now let's try to draw a quadrilateral. So suppose let's draw a random quadrilateral here. Okay, so I have this quadrilateral ABCD. I want to rotate this. So you go to the option rotate, select the option rotate around a point, click on the option, select the option rotate around a point, click on the quadrilateral or the image that is to be rotated, select the center of rotation. Suppose I want to rotate it about the point 1, -2. So you click here. Once you click, the pop-up box comes here. I want to rotate suppose 90 degrees. So you type 90 degree, and this time I'll rotate it counterclockwise. So it is already selected. You press OK. So you see that the shape is moving to the left. It is turning 90 degree anti-clockwise about the center point E. So if you want to make sure if your diagram is correct, you join A and A dash to point E. You will see that the angle so formed is a right angle. Same thing, you join D and D dash to point E. You will see that the angle formed is a right angle. So this is how you rotate shape about a center. Now let's have a look how to dilate a given image. To dilate the shape, let's draw a polygon here. Suppose I'm drawing a triangle. Okay, somewhat like this, and I'll select the option dilate from a point. So again it gives you option, select the object, then the center, then enter the scale factor. So select your triangle. Suppose this point is my center of enlargement or the center of dilation. So I select this. It is asking me the scale factor. So suppose my scale factor is half, that is 0.5. And when I enter 0.5, which is less than 1, the size will reduce. So 0.5, and you press OK. So you see that the diagram ABC has now become smaller in size. So A dash, B dash, C dash is my new image after the enlargement. Now let's do one more example. Let's draw a quadrilateral here, and suppose this is my quadrilateral, and I want to enlarge this shape by scale factor 2. So I'll select from the tool option, dilate from a point. So suppose the center of enlargement is here. You click here. It gives me, so first you have to click the image, then the point. So select the option, dilate, click on the image, then the center. It gives a pop-up. Now you enter the scale factor as 2 and equal. So your image gets dilated, and to remove this shape, I'll press on this option, move graphic views, and you can move, and you can see that your image has now enlarged. Because the scale factor is more than 1, the size will become big, If it is between 0 and 1, it will become small. For negative scale factor, we will see in the next video. So this is how we do rotation and dilation of shape using GeoGebra. See you, and thanks for watching the video, and do subscribe for more such videos.